DASH stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. This diet was developed after researchers noticed that people who ate a plant-based diet, similar to vegetarian diets, had much lower blood pressure. The DASH diet includes a lot of the same foods, but it also includes meat, fish, poultry, and nuts. This means it's designed to help lower blood pressure, a silent troublemaker. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is often called the silent killer because it doesn't have obvious symptoms but can lead to serious health issues like heart disease and stroke if left unchecked. High blood pressure strains your heart and arteries, potentially leading to serious problems. Over time, the increased pressure can cause the arteries to harden and narrow, which can lead to a heart attack or stroke. It can also cause other issues like kidney damage and vision loss. The DASH diet comes to the rescue, focusing on foods that are naturally good for you. It emphasizes the importance of eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods, which can help you maintain a healthy weight and reduce your risk of chronic diseases. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy are DASH superstars. These foods are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that your body needs to function properly. They provide a good balance of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied. These foods are packed with nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which help regulate blood pressure. Potassium helps balance the amount of sodium in your cells, magnesium helps relax blood vessels, and calcium is essential for maintaining strong bones and a healthy heart. By choosing DASH, you're not just lowering your blood pressure, you're embracing a lifestyle that benefits your overall health. This diet encourages physical activity and stress management, which are also important for maintaining a healthy heart and mind. It's a holistic approach to wellness that can lead to a happier, healthier life. Sodium, often hiding in salt, can be a sneaky culprit behind high blood pressure. When you consume too much sodium, it disrupts the balance of fluids in your body. This imbalance makes your heart work harder to pump blood, putting extra pressure on your arteries. Over time, this strain can lead to various health issues. Reducing sodium intake is crucial for managing blood pressure and overall well-being. The good news is that lowering sodium doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. There are plenty of delicious and healthy ways to enjoy your meals without relying on excess salt. Meal prepping is your secret weapon for staying on track with the low-sodium DASH diet. By preparing your meals in advance, you're less likely to reach for unhealthy, processed options when hunger strikes. Start by planning your meals for the week, making a grocery list of fresh, whole ingredients. Focus on lean proteins like chicken, fish, beans, and tofu. Embrace the goodness of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Herbs, spices, and citrus fruits are your allies in adding flavor without relying on salt. Section 4. Breakfast Champions Kickstart Your Day the DASH Way. A nutritious breakfast is the cornerstone of a productive day. It fuels your body, sharpens your mind, and sets a positive tone for the hours ahead. A DASH-approved breakfast sets the tone for a healthy day. The DASH diet, which stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension, emphasizes whole foods that are rich in nutrients and low in sodium. Starting your day with a balanced meal can help maintain energy levels and keep you focused. Skip the sugary cereals and opt for fiber-rich options that will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Whole grain cereals are an excellent choice as they provide essential nutrients and help regulate digestion. Look for options that are low in added sugars and high in fiber. Overnight oats are a fantastic make-ahead breakfast. They are not only convenient but also packed with nutrients. Preparing them the night before saves you time in the morning and ensures you have a healthy meal ready to go. Combine rolled oats, low-fat milk or yogurt, chia seeds, and your favorite fruits. This combination provides a good mix of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats, making it a well-rounded meal. You can also add nuts or seeds for an extra crunch and nutritional boost. Let it sit in the refrigerator overnight, and voila, a delicious and nutritious breakfast awaits you. You can customize your overnight oats with different toppings like fresh berries, sliced bananas, or a drizzle of honey to suit your taste preferences. Other great options include scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes, whole wheat toast with avocado, and a sprinkle of seeds. Eggs are a great source of protein and essential vitamins, while spinach and tomatoes add a dose of antioxidants and fiber. Or a smoothie packed with fruits, vegetables, and low-fat yogurt. Smoothies are versatile and can be tailored to your nutritional needs. Add a handful of leafy greens, a scoop of protein powder, or some flax seeds to enhance the health benefits. Starting your day with a Dash-approved breakfast can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. Section 5. Lunchtime Delights, powering through your day. Don't let lunchtime become a dietary downfall. Pack a flavorful and satisfying Dash-friendly lunch to keep your energy levels up and your taste buds happy. Salads are a fantastic choice, but be sure to include protein and healthy fats to make them more filling. Try a grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, quinoa, cucumbers, tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette. Leftovers from dinner also make for excellent lunch options. Pack a portion of salmon with roasted vegetables or a lentil soup with a side of whole grain bread. Section 6. Dinnertime Triumphs, Savory and Satisfying. Dinner is a time to relax and enjoy a delicious meal with loved ones. The DASH diet offers plenty of flavorful and satisfying options that won't spike your blood pressure. Baked or grilled fish is an excellent choice. Salmon, tuna, and cod are all rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Pair your fish with a side of roasted vegetables like broccoli, asparagus, or Brussels sprouts. For a hearty and satisfying meal, try a lentil soup or a vegetable curry with brown rice. Section 7. Mastering the low-sodium lifestyle. Maintaining a low-sodium diet doesn't have to be daunting. It can be a rewarding journey towards better health and well-being. By making a few conscious choices, you can significantly reduce your sodium intake and still enjoy delicious meals. By incorporating a few simple habits into your daily routine, you can easily reduce your sodium intake without sacrificing flavor. Start by cooking more meals at home, where you have full control over the ingredients and can avoid the high sodium content often found in restaurant and processed foods. Read food labels carefully and choose products with lower sodium content. Many packaged foods contain hidden sodium, so it's important to be vigilant. Look for items labeled low sodium or no salt added to make healthier choices. Be mindful of condiments like soy sauce, ketchup, and salad dressings, as they can be hidden sources of sodium. Opt for low-sodium versions or use them sparingly to keep your sodium intake in check. When cooking at home, experiment with herbs, spices, citrus fruits, and vinegar to add flavor instead of salt. Fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, and parsley can elevate your dishes, while spices like cumin, paprika, and turmeric add depth and complexity. Gradually reducing your sodium intake will allow your taste buds to adjust, and you'll be surprised at how flavorful your meals can be without relying on excess salt. Over time, you'll find that you don't miss the extra sodium, and your body will thank you for it. Embrace the journey to a healthier, low-sodium lifestyle and enjoy the benefits of better health and more vibrant flavors in your meals.